Hi guys, it's Shelly with Fancy Sprinkles, and today I'll be sharing with you guys 5 baking tips and why each of them are crucial for the success of your next baking project. As a baker, I have made a ton, and I mean a ton of mistakes along the way, and these are just some things that I have learned that helped me. Some of you guys may or may not know these things, but I just want to put it out there so you guys can be the best bakers you can be, and also make it a little less stressful next time you are in the kitchen. Number 1, weigh your ingredients. I cannot stress that enough. Investing in a kitchen scale is one of the best things you can invest in, and they're like 15 bucks. I got this one from Amazon maybe like 2 or 3 years ago, and it still works perfect. Sometimes when you use cups to measure, especially if it's flour, it can be a little off, and in baking, everything needs to be precise for you to get the best results. Number 2, read and prep your ingredients before you start. There have been countless times I have tried a new recipe and I didn't read the entire thing before I started, and there was a certain step I didn't see coming and I messed up on everything just because of that. Also, when you prep your ingredients beforehand, you aren't rushing while you're in the baking process to get a certain thing, and it makes it a lot less stressful, and trust me, this goes a long way. Number 3, get an oven thermometer. Most ovens, believe it or not, are not 100% accurate. They can either be higher or lower than what the controller says. When you're making something like macarons, it's crucial that you have an exact temperature to get a successful batch. 4, keep your oven door closed as much as you can. I know when you're baking, you're very eager and you want to see what's going on inside the oven, but try not to, because when you do open the oven door, you're just playing around with the temperatures and it can mess up whatever is baking in there and it won't bake properly. You need to check to see if a cake is done. Wait till the end of the bake time and stick a toothpick inside of it and pop it out. If it comes out clean, it's ready. If it's still gooey, it still needs more time. But honestly, save that towards the end. Do not play around with it before the end of the bake time. Last but not least, mood matters. I know, that sounds so silly, but trust me, it's so true. This has to do with measuring and how delicate you are. Let's say you're just in a bad mood. You could be heavy-handed with the salt, or you could just measure things improperly. And when you're baking, you really do have to be relaxed, and you have to also make sure that you have plenty of time to do whatever it is you need to do so you don't rush it. Alright guys, those are my 5 most important baking tips I can give you. I hope that you guys take it into consideration next time you bake, because they really are very straightforward and basic, but they go such a long way and they will help you succeed in creating the most beautiful, delicious treats you are trying to create. Thank you guys for watching. If there are any other tips or tricks, techniques, whatever you want to learn, please comment down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fancy content. Until next time, thank you guys.